Welcome to Sheikh Saud Charity School Branch 4, Grade 11 General, Term 3. Teacher Aziza Al-Ghafari. Subject English, Unit 8, Lessons 1 and 2. Course Book, page 1 and 2. So Lesson 1 is What's Out There? The domain we are going to tackle with listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Look at the first question. Then look at the second question. How about 3? Listening. Read all the questions and choices, then listen to the interview about the UAE space program to find the answer.
In our studio today, we've got a specialist from the UAE National Space Programme. We're going to learn about the country's recent heavy involvement in space exploration. How has the UAE helped us learn about the planets, the galaxy, and the solar system? Can you start by telling us how and when this all started?
It's no recent news that the UAE always excels even when starting in a totally new field. The UAE's first fully government-owned satellite was launched into space in 2009, not very long ago. Since then, the UAE space sector has quickly advanced.
Yes, we've been hearing a lot recently about the UAE's great contribution to this sector. Can you tell us about a few key events that have taken place over the last few years?
If I'm only going to talk about a few, I must start by talking about the UAE Space Agency, which was established recently. The agency is responsible for supporting the development of engineers and scientists. The remarkable thing is that the agency gained membership of the International Space Exploration Coordination Group, making the UAE the first Arab country to join.
That's definitely something we can all be proud of. What about the Khalifa University Space Lab? Can you tell us a little about it?
This is another huge goal that the UAE has achieved since the program started. The first space lab in the region was opened. It was made to recreate the environment in space. It has no gravity and has special aerial vehicles, and it has helped many scientists for several years.
I can imagine how valuable this is for astronauts, students, and researchers in the field. Thanks a lot for your time. It has been a pleasure talking to you today.
Thank you.
Now, choose the correct answer from A, B, or C. Now, compare your answers with the answers given. Use of English. Look at these sentences from the interview. Read them one by one, and then try to answer them. Now compare your answers with the answers given. Speaking. When interviewing or having a conversation with someone, both speakers need to take turns. Look at these sentences used in a conversation to take. Maintain and offer turns and put them in the right column. Read the sentences again and try to classify them in their right columns. Now compare your answers. Workbook. Please open your workbook. Now we have a puzzle. We are going to read the definitions across and down, and then we are going to uh, uh, find the words that define these sentences. Are your answers correct? Okay, thank you. Write down these answers, please, in your workbook. Now, put these words in order from smallest to biggest or largest. We have planet, galaxy, solar system. Here are the answers. Are you correct? Now complete the paragraph with the words from the box. We have galaxy, gravity, solar system, planets, satellites, astronauts. Read the sentences, please, and try to find the correct answers. Here are the answers. Compare your answers with the answers given. Now, complete the sentences by putting the verbs in the right form and choosing since or for. Here are the answers. How many correct answers do you have? Good. Thank you so much.